Fixit.
Tell me about the heating in the apartment.
During the winter, the customer was heating the apartment with radiators which couldn't reach the desired temperature, even working 24 hours per day. The radiators were 2000 watts, which means that they were using the maximum potential all the time, which affect drastically the electricity consumption and, of course, the bills, without even reaching the desired temperature. They were placed in the two exterior rooms, so that makes them work more with less efficiency. Here I need to explain you with the difference between electrical radiators and air conditioners. So, for example, to produce 1000 watts of heat, the radiators uses 1000 watts of electricity. The air conditioners, they work with heat pump, and to produce 1000 watts of heat, it uses around 200 watts, which is 5 times less electricity. The customer installed two inverter air conditioners. They reach the perfect temperature much faster and then just maintain it. Once the temperature is good, the air conditioners are working in a very economy way, with much lower consumption than the radiators. For the installation of an air conditioner, is necessary to pass pipes and cables through the walls, so we built a plasterboard ceiling to hide them, and now it looks even better and has LED lights as well. The customer chooses medium-low cost air conditioners, but highly recommended is to install a smart air conditioner that you could control and see the moment, daily, monthly and yearly consumption from distance. By a distance control, I mean that if you, for example, are on a winter trip and you are coming back tomorrow, you can switch the air conditioners on today, so when you come back in your property, you could have your favorite comfortable environment, and this we call digitalization.